Hi, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a multilingual web player in Callaba using multi-audio track SRT and web player groups. First, we'll create an SRT server to send our multi-audio track stream to. Let's name our server. Change the ports if needed, and save. Now let's grab the SRT publisher URL and send our stream. Great, the stream is coming in. Let's check the audio. Click the stats icon. Next, click the sound icon. Here you can listen to your tracks and name them. I'll do this for all my tracks. It'll make the next steps much easier. All set. Now we'll create the web players we'll switch between in our group. Open web players. Click Add New. Select the SRT server. Expand the audio settings. Choose Select Audio Track and pick your track. This is why I named all my tracks earlier. Don't forget to name the player. Save. Now we'll repeat these steps and create web players for all our audio tracks. I'll speed it up. Awesome. Our web players are ready. Let's combine them into a web player group so users can switch between them. Let's go to web player groups and create a new group. Let's name our group. Set the group type. In my case, it's language list. And now we're going to add all our players to the group. And also set the default player. Okay, done. I've added all of them. Let's check that everything's correct. Almost there. Let's now save our web player group. We can preview it right here in the dashboard. You can switch between your audio tracks right here. Now you're hearing our first audio track. And here's another one. You can also open the web player in the browser. Back to the dashboard. Click the info button to get the shareable link for the web player. You can also copy the embed code to add the web player or video to your website. And that's all. Thank you for watching. Try Callaba on AWS or install self-hosted version.